chief meteorologist took this video earlier today at Route 13 towards Priscilla Street, noting that there is still flooding ongoing, but he did note that the water is slowly receding, which is good, and we don't have any rain in the forecast for the next few days. But this is something you're going to have to keep in mind if you're going out and about tonight, and perhaps even into tomorrow as well, as the water will be slow to recede. A big story today were the wind gusts. We found a few isolated reports with wind gusts exceeding 50 miles per hour, including Lewis, Delaware, reporting a 52-mile-per-hour wind gust, and Greenwood in Delaware reporting a 50-mile-per-hour gust, and a lot of us were on the magnitude of 40 to 50-mile-per-hour gusts today. We have a couple of sprinkles out there just to the south of southern Bethany Beach towards extreme southeastern part of Sussex County. A little bit of a sprinkle and maybe a few snow flurries into the mix towards Slaughter Beach, towards the coastline of Kent County, but the activity is so isolated in nature and really it's starting to break apart. A little bit of snow activity towards the western part of the bay, but really nothing to write home about. The more potent activity is towards the north and west in Pennsylvania. I think the bulk of the activity remains over there, but an isolated shower or snow shower can't be ruled out within the next few hours. But the winds are still going to be in play through tomorrow as well, with strong low pressure towards the Canadian Maritimes and strong high pressure towards our southwest. It's going to force air to funnel in between those two systems, and thus we stay blustery through all day tomorrow. You can kind of see the wind blowing the trees right now with a live look at Berlin on the Ocean Downs Casino sky cam. So it's going to be blustery and very chilly tonight. We're only in the low 40s right now, which is going to make the temperatures feel like the 30s and feel like the 20s later on tonight as actual air temperatures drop into the mid 30s. It's 42 right now with Chucky in Lewis, and the wind gusts are gusting anywhere between 40 to 30 miles per hour. A 44-mile-per-hour gust was just reported right there in Salisbury. And with the gusty winds, we still have some residual coastal flooding problems along the bay side of the Chesapeake Bay. So crest time is getting close, 1 to 2 a.m. from Sussex Chrisfield towards Bishop's Head, with about a foot of inundation expected. But as you go further north, the coastal flooding threat is heavily reduced. In fact, we're not expecting any coastal flooding towards Cambridge and Claiborne early tomorrow morning, which is good news. But the winds are still going to be gusty all day on Monday. We're expecting gusts possibly exceeding 40 miles per hour at times. And just like today, I wouldn't rule out any gust approaching 50 miles per hour. But the wind gusts will be reducing by the time we get to Tuesday. It will be still a bit of a breezy day, just not as windy as Monday tomorrow. And then by the time we get towards Wednesday, winds will be greatly subsiding. And more sunshine is in the forecast as well throughout the day on Monday. In fact, I think there's going to barely be a cloud in the sky, so that will help with the feels like temperatures feel a little bit warmer than they were today. And then once we get to Tuesday, so a lot of sunshine, warmer temperatures getting into the 60s and a little bit less wind. And by the time we get towards Wednesday, temperatures could be approaching near 70 degrees with even less wind and a lot of sunshine as well. So better weather is on the way. Tonight it's going to be chilly, 33 to 38 degrees with some lingering rain and snow showers, and blustery tonight and tomorrow as well, with gusts approaching 45, maybe 50 miles per hour at times. Temperatures 50 to 55 degrees with a lot of sunshine. So that's going to be the silver lining for tomorrow. A gale warning for the Atlantic Ocean, Chesapeake Bay, and the Delaware Bay in effect all day tomorrow because of the breezy conditions. So not a great day to get the boat out. But once we get towards the end of the week, calmer conditions, warmer temperatures, a chance for showers by this weekend. Rob?